Square, surrounded by rubble and decay. Yet a spark ignited within her as she grasped the scope of the mission. As a curator for the Galactic Museum, Earth's renovation was her top priority always, and New York City was her assigned canvas, filled with potential. The teleportation device whirred to life, and the doctor stepped into the unknown darkness, leaving the sterile museum environment and its dusty artifacts behind slowly. The gritty reality of Times Square's condition hit me like a ton of bricks, but she saw potential in every crumbling facade. First task was to deploy repair drones to rebuild the skyscrapers, their mechanical hum filling the air as they sprang to life. The drones worked tirelessly, their precision and speed a marvel as they reconstructed the city's steel and glass giants with meticulous care and eerie silence slowly. Next, she turned her attention to the Lady of Liberty, her iconic form worn and weathered, but still exuding an aura of freedom and hope, standing tall silently. Portable cyborgs swarmed around her, their welding torches and delicate manipulators working in precise tandem to restore her majesty and grandeur slowly. As Lacey watched, the Brooklyn Bridge began to take shape slowly, its massive suspension towers rising like giant sentinels from the busy East River waters. Ships piloted massive stone and steel components into place, their intricate dance a testament to human ingenuity, creativity, and advanced technology always. At Grand Central Terminal, she scanned the area, taking note of the vintage supplies and architectural details that needed recreation. Dr. West's pad buzzed with data as she worked to recreate the intricate stonework, ornate chandeliers, and classic signage that defined the terminal's opulence. But amidst progress, a somber tone crept in as she approached the 9/11 monument ruins, a poignant reminder of the tragedy that had befallen the city. She paused, eyes taking in the vast devastation slowly, and her heart heavy with the crushing weight of history that had unfolded before her. With a deep breath, she dispatched restoration bots to painstakingly rebuild the memorial, their gentle touch a poignant tribute to the lives lost forever slowly. As the days passed slowly, New York City began to transform, its 5 distinct boroughs reflecting the diverse cultures that had uniquely shaped them over time. The sounds, smells, and flavors of the city re-emerged slowly, a vibrant tapestry of human experience that was both poignant and deeply uplifting to those around. From the bright lights of Broadway to the peaceful green oases of Central Park, the city's unique character was being reborn. Street art and murals reappeared, their vibrant colors and eclectic styles a testament to the city's creative spirit, filling streets with beauty and life daily now. In Times Square, digital billboards flickered to life, their bright lights and dynamic ads a kaleidoscope of color and energy. The city's iconic landmarks stood tall once more, a mix of old and new that told the story of a city forever changed, with nostalgia echoing through its streets slowly. As the doctor walked through revitalized streets, the sounds and smells washed over me, a sensory feast that was exhilarating and humbling to experience fully now. With each step, she felt a deep connection to this place, a sense of pride and ownership that came from being part of its slow and gentle rebirth process naturally. The once derelict areas were now teeming with life, their transformation a powerful reminder of the profound impact of dedication and hard work being done daily. New York City was being reborn, its essence distilled into a vibrant, pulsating entity that was both a tribute to its past and a beacon to its future. As Lacey stood in the heart of Times Square, surrounded by the vibrant fruits of my labor, a deep sense of pride and accomplishment washed over her slowly. The active displays and towering digital screens cast a variety of colors across the surrounding buildings, a true marvel of modern technology. With a sense of satisfaction, she typed a few final commands into the pad slowly, the device humming softly as it prepared to teleport me away instantly to unknown places. the doctor slowly vanished into the brilliant light, leaving behind a reborn New York City, a shining jewel in the galactic